In this video, we show you how to add and make someone a family manager on PS5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. On PlayStation, you can appoint another adult in your family as a parent/guardian through the account management website, allowing them to manage child accounts. Alright, to do this, you have to open a web browser on your phone or computer and then go to the official PlayStation website, log in using your main account on the PS5, click on your profile picture and go to your account settings. On the side menu, look for a section called Family Management. Now here, click on Add Family Member, add an adult. Here you can enter the email address or sign-in ID associated with a PSN account of the adult you want to invite. Type it in and send the invitation. That account will receive an invitation email from PlayStation. Just click accept the invitation and join your family. After the new member has accepted the invite, go back to the family management and you should now see the newly added adult listed under adult family members. Click on their profile and here you can appoint them as parent/guardian. And after you do that, this account will be able to set parental controls to child accounts on the family.